Hi, my name is Roman Atwood, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. Now let's talk to you about his YouTube journey. He started his channel back on October 18th, 2006. Until today, total amount of subscribers are about 500,000. Total amount of views is about 58 million. Average daily subs is currently at 287, and the monthly subs is at 8,633. Now let's talk about how much money he makes in a single day, and this is going to be an estimate. Daily views is about 25,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber about $3. Daily income is $75. So his monthly income is $2,250. Not bad. And now his annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. Income is about $27,000. Now YouTube cut takes about 45%. So the income after the YouTube cut is $14,850. Now the Wood Whisperer, he also has a store which he sells merchandise. And these are some pictures of stuff he sells on his website, on the store. So currently he has about 500,000 subscribers, and let's assume that about 0.5% buys his stuff, so that's 2,500. And I would say that his price point is about $25, and he might make about $10 profit. So 2,500 times $10 is an extra $2,500 per year. Not bad. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.